Hello guys, and welcome to my tutorial of how to make the crewmate from the Among Us video game. So to start off, you need to go to open your spawn menu and go down to plastic. Once you're in plastic, you need to scroll down. You go to tubes, select this one. Once you have it out, make sure to freeze it so you don't doesn't go into everywhere. And then after that, you can go and get this one from in this shell, put it on top and go to. Then once you have that, you need to make the lens go up to all the little plates, like this one. Make sure you angle it right. After that, you need to make the back. With this, you need to go up to plates. Select this one. Make sure no collide with the main body. See if you can stick it in. Now, once we have that, we need to make the color. You can use any color you want, but personally, I just like to use. Oops. With the lens, I like to recommend like the sign color. Now, once you have that done, and lastly, to finish it off, you need to weld like so. There you have it, your own Among Us character. Well, if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to like and subscribe.